It's hard to beat the convenience, efficiency, and ease of use of a blender. Unless, of course, your blending pitcher isn't big enough to supply your party with margaritas, or if your smoothies are always chunky and never smooth. What if your blender dies right when the party starts? When it comes to purchasing a commercial blender, there are many things to consider, from operating noise to reliability to blending capacity. I did extensive analysis and read lots of reviews and articles to make a list of the best 5 commercial blenders from famous brands. That may help you make the right decision. Let's watch the video. Welcome to Best Get. We review kitchen and dining products. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Number 1. Blendtec Total Classic. One of the most powerful blenders on this list is this Blendtec Total Blender. While this one doesn't have a sound enclosure like our top Blendtec Stealth, it's one of the best budget-friendly blenders on this list. It also comes with a 90-ounce wild side pitcher like the Stealth 885 for processing large volumes of produce in one go. Despite its cheaper price, it packs a 3 HP motor, making it suitable for heavy-duty use in coffee shops, bars, and restaurants. Its fast blending makes it great for processing hot soups and frozen beverages. And with its 6 presets, you'll be able to do anything from making smoothies to blending soups with just the push of a button. This model features manual controls and 10 variable speed settings for faster blending. With this high speed, it can be used as a milk frothier when blending hot coffee and other protein drinks. Like other Blendtec blenders, this one has the self-clean feature. Number 2. Cleanblend Commercial Blender. The Cleanblend Commercial Blender comes with an impressive 3 HP motor to pulverize your fruits, vegetables, nut butters, ice cubes, etc. at high speed. The razor-sharp stainless steel blade also aids in the faster blending of this food processor. However, for most blenders, more power means more noise. Well, that's false for the Cleanblend Commercial Blender. It has a sound enclosure that dampens sound. Although it's not as developed as those used in the Vitamix Quiet 1 and Blendtec Stealth 885, it does a good job of ensuring you don't scare your customers away with your blending. Another feature that makes this extreme commercial bar blender great for bars and shops is its 64-ounce BPA-free pitcher, which is large enough to process large volumes of food. Aside from the capacity, the design of the jar ensures a better flow of your ingredients when blending. Number 3. Vitamix Quiet 1 Blender. While it's commonplace to see blenders feature noise-dampening technology, the Vitamix Quiet 1 takes it a step further. It comes fitted with a thick plastic sound enclosure that covers the blender and traps sound. The rubber foot also reduces the sound of vibration, making it the quietest blender on our list. Now let's explore some of the other features that make it one of the best. The Vitamix Quiet 1 packs 3 horsepower in its powerful motor, making it capable to blend and mix some of the toughest ingredients like nut butters and spreads. However, it's better suited to preparing drinks rather than food. So, it's been described as the best smoothie blender. You can also control the blender manually or automatically. The speed control allows for manual food prep, while the 6 pre-programmed settings and 34 available settings make it easy to quickly blend your ingredients to perfection. We also like that it features push-button controls rather than those with control knobs. Number 4. Blendtec Stealth 885 Blender. For owners of smoothie shops looking for the best blender to serve their customers the best tasting smoothies, you can rely on the Blendtec Stealth 885. First, the workhorse comes with an impressive 3.8 horsepower motor for blending smoothies and other drinks in 14 seconds or less. But most importantly, our tests showed that the Blendtec Stealth was great at crushing ice and processing frozen drinks, fruits, and vegetables. You can also blend hot soups with it. The whole unit is made of impact-resistant plastic as a mark of its durability. The container's 96 ounces capacity is designed to prepare drinks for a large number of people per time. Impressively, it can make 200 cups of drinks per day. The Blendtec Stealth 885 blender comes with 2 wild side jars to quickly mix different recipes without having to spend time washing one for repeat use. It comes with an innovative sound enclosure that covers the blender and dampens its noise, so you can quickly whip up delicious drinks without disturbing your customers. Number 5. Hamilton Beach HBH 650 Tempest Commercial Blender. The Hamilton Beach HBH 650 is one of a kind. It belongs to a special group of Hamilton Beach blenders that are recognized as commercial high-performance blenders. This is different from the brand's bar blenders. The HBH 650 has a powerful 3 HP motor to blend frozen fruit, nut butter, smoothie, and other frozen drinks. We can call the HBH 650 a beverage blender as it doesn't really do a good job in processing other tough ingredients. Despite the power, we observed that it never overheated as it came with overheat protection to guard against this. One feature we found interesting in our test was the jar pad sensor. This turned off the blender when we mistakenly positioned the pitcher incorrectly. In our test, we found the control panel was also intuitive to use as it featured a pulse function and a knob with 2 speeds. Nonetheless, we'd have preferred if it were a push button or touchscreen control. Thanks for watching. If you need more information, feel free to visit the link in the description box or the comments below. If this information helps you make the right decision, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. That's encouraged me to create more.